Okay, good day everyone. This is your teacher Carmela, handling grade 8 mathematics tamarin. Okay, this day I will discuss the greatest common factor of polynomials. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to understand or to define what is the meaning of the greatest common factor. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. So, greatest. What is the meaning of greatest? Okay, di ba? Synonym siya sa largest. Okay. If the given numbers are 2, 3, and 5, what is the greatest number or the largest number? Di ba? It's 5. Okay. Ang kinadak-an na numero. Okay. So, we have also common. Okay. What may pagsabot ninyo sa common from the word common? Okay. So, what is common in the two given numbers? Diba? Okay. So, for example, Cynthia Kagadas, Nomi Kagadas. So, what is common of the two? Of Cynthia and Nomi? Diba it's Kagadas? Kung sa'yo na niya, nasa niya. So, that is common. Okay, factor. Okay. Ato siyang gisinsiyo. So, now, the given is 20 o 30. Okay. So, 20, 40 laman, 40. Okay, let's have 40. So, if 20, if we are going to, ato siya sinsi og 5, pila man kabuk 5, di ba 4? Ang 40. Okay. Kung ato siya sinsi og tag 5, pila man kabuo, di ba 8? Okay. So, that is factor, sinsiyo. Greatest, meaning largest, common, which is naaniya nga nasad nako. Factor is ato siyang gisinsiyo. So, the greatest common factor is the greatest number that is a factor of 2 or more other numbers. Okay. So, to be able to factor a polynomial with a common monomial factor, we have to get first the greatest common factor. So it is very necessary or prerequisite na mahibawan nato unsaon pagkuha greatest common factor. Okay. So there are some steps to follow. Letter A, you are going to find the largest number that divides each of the numerical coefficients in the polynomial. Okay. So letter B, for each lateral coefficient appearing in every term of the polynomial, indicate the lowest power that occurs. Okay. Letter C, you're going to multiply the results found in steps 1 and 2. Okay. So to understand, let's have an example. Okay. The given example is you're going to find the GCF of 18 y raised to the power of 5 minus 36 y raised to the power of 4 plus 12 y raised to the power of 3. Okay. So again, the first step is kuhanin mo ang largest number that divides 18, 36, and 12. So how? So mag-prime factorization ka. Okay, so 18, what are the prime factors? 2, 3, and 3. 2 times 3, that is 6, times 3, that is 18. So 36. Okay, 2 times 3, that is 6, times 2, that is 12, times 3, that is 36. Okay, 12 is divisible by 2, 3, and 2. So therefore, kung say common nilang tulo, di ba na 2, na po 3, then we are going to multiply 2 times 3, that is 6. So therefore, 6 is the largest number that divides 18, 36, and 12. Are you following? Okay. So, okay, step 2. The lowest power that occurs between the literal coefficients. Okay. So we have y raised to the power of 5, y raised to the power of 4, and y raised to the power of 3. So unsa may kinagamian nila sa exponent? The y here is the base and the exponent is 5, 4, and 3. So 5, 4, and 3. So that is 3, right? So the lowest power is y raised to the power of 3. Step 3. So the result of step 1, which is 6, and the result of step 2, which is y raised to the power of 3. So therefore, your GCF is 6y raised to the power of 3. Okay, so let's have more example. Number 1, find the GCF of 40x raised to the power of 4 minus 25x raised to the power of 3 minus 10x raised to the power of 2. So, as what I have noticed, the students nowadays is magalisod o multiply. Even 1 times 5, it's 6. Okay, so which is sayop because the operation is multiplication. If it is addition, 1 plus 5, then that is 6. So, maybe that is the result of the COVID or the pandemic. So, as a teacher, we look, unsay angay na mong buhaton. So, ini kay multiplication man, galisod me, pero naningkamot me nga mga teachers para makahibaw ang mga students. Okay. So, 40, 25, and 10. Okay. So, prime factorization, 2 times 2 of 40, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2, that is 8, times 5, that is 40. How about 25? That is 5 and 5. 5 times 5, that is 25. How about 10? That is 2 and 5. Okay. Kung unsay nasa 40, which is 5, 25, 5, 10, 5. So therefore, 5 is the largest number. Okay. So let's have letter B. The lowest power that occurs between x raised to the power of 4, x raised to the power of 3, and x raised to the power of 2 is x raised to the power of 2. Step 3. Okay. So the result of step 1 and step 2, you are going to multiply it 5 times x raised to the power of 2. Then therefore the GCF is 5x raised to the power of 2. Okay, yan na siya kasayon. So let's have number 2. 14 y raised to the power of 4, z raised to the power of 4, minus 28 y raised to the power of 3, z raised to the power of 2, minus 70 y raised to the power of 2, and z raised to the power of 2. So again, the first step is you are going to get the GCF of the numerical coefficients. Okay, so what are those numerical coefficients? We have 14, we have 28, and we have 70. So if you are good in math or witty, so automatic, tanawon yung Jo. Di ba 14 ang kinagamian na number sa given? So is 28 divisible by 14? Yes. Di ba? Okay. So is 70 divisible by 14? Di ba? Yes? Okay. So tungod kay beginner pa man ta, so atong di-apply ang prime factorization. So 14, 2 times 7. Okay, 28, the prime factors are 2 times 2, that is 4 times 7, that is 28. How about 70? That is 2 times 7 times 5. So therefore, 2 is common of the 3, right? Okay, so with 7. So 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Therefore, the largest number is 14. Okay, na divisible sila. So, next, the lowest power that occurs between y raised to the power, okay, tanawon ninyo, no? That is y. Okay, alisdan na to siya. So, as you can notice, uniform sila, no? O literal coefficients, y, z, y, z, y, z. Okay, So take note. Okay. So therefore, isuwatin mo ang mga literal coefficients, the y and the z. So the only problem now is you are going to indicate unsay kinagamit niya nga exponent. So which is 2. Y raised to the power of 2 and z raised to the power of 2. So letter C. So the GCF, okay. And letter C, you are going to multiply what is the result of letter A and letter B. So that is 14 y squared z squared. Okay, so again, manong gamit man siya ang greatest common factor gamit siya kay maune gikinahanglan. Okay, the most basic in polynomials. Okay, so again, on sa 3 steps to follow. Okay, number 1, you're going to find the largest number that divides each of the numerical coefficients in the polynomial. Number 2, for each literal coefficient, again, saan ganito ng literal coefficients, the variables. Okay, una siya, in every term of the polynomial, indicate, piliun mo ang pinakagamay o exponent. And then, you are going to multiply the result of A and B. So that is your answer. Okay. So, hope that you understand the topic. This is Teacher Carmela. Okay. Hantod sa sunod na tong video. Salamat sa pagpaminaw.